How to access nutrition information for Shake Shack menu items. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check calories or ingredients before ordering at Shake Shack, well here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in you can head to the menu section. And there you can just click on any items like a burger, shake or fries to open its full details and after that you can simply scroll down to find nutrition and allergen information with calories, protein, fat, carbs, and much more. And there you can also view allergen charts to see if items contain dairy, gluten, peanuts, or any other sensitives. And with that, if you need the full breakdown, you can look for the link to Shake Shack Complete Nutrition PDF for all menu items. And with this makes it easy to compare meals and make the choice that's right for you. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.